Alright, Donald, got her all fixed up, man. I went ahead and fixed this right here. This is something I didn't even notice before I shipped it out to it for you, but remember when I had to fix this dial-a-watt because the lamp wasn't working right here? It wasn't the actual lamp. The ground connection wasn't making a ground, and I had basically grounded it to the board, a physical ground to the board, so it worked, but I didn't catch it that when you press the preamp button in, the power light was lighting up too. So I didn't even catch that. I didn't press the preamp button in by itself before I shipped it back to you. But I don't think you called it anyway. But now it's grounded to the right place so that this is not even going to get a ground until the power button is pressed in. Okay. I went ahead and replaced the wire that you put in here to fix the short back there. You can't even see where it is, can you? It's actually down here. If you look in between there, this white wire is kind of hidden out of the way. Makes it look a little bit better that way. And the only other thing I do want to mention to you, man, this is just these switches. Texas Star has went to cheaper switches now, and I've found this issue with a lot of them. Sometimes when you turn your amp on, see, look, just like that right there. Sometimes you'll turn your amp on, and look, the lamp ain't on. It's still working, just the lamp ain't on. Sometimes you literally just have to jiggle it. How embarrassing is that, right? But it is what it is. And then sometimes when you turn it on, you won't have no problem at all. The only way you can fix that, man, is replace these dang switches. And is it really worth it? Good God, the money. That's probably a $50–$60 job right there, man. That's a little bit of work replacing those switches right there. So just jiggle it. If you ever have that problem, just kind of tap it or whatever. I hate it, man, but it is what it is. And the other thing I went ahead and did is I added a little bit of attenuation here. This is what this resistor is right here. So instead of it dead keying like 200 to 250 watts with a 1 watt dead key, now this is on high. Focus. So we're looking at the middle scale. See where the 50 is? The 20 is 200. So now it's only dead keying around 150 watts. Okay, and when I put it on medium, green button in, which is where I really suggest you run the amp at, if all possible. Now it's dead keying a little under 100 watts. Okay, at RMS that puts us at, that puts us at around 200 watts RMS. And PEP, off the scale, over 500 watts. So that still will put you over 500 watts, probably around 600 watts on medium. So we just got a little bit of attenuation in there for you. And all this work I have done is absolutely free, under warranty. Hope you enjoy, bud. She's working great, my friend. Just to be safe, always remember, if you want to plug in your fans and they're not plugged in, turn all the power off. Okay, this is just to be safe. Turn all the power off. And also, to be safe, when you turn your power off, leave your power switch pushed in so it will drain any capacitors. Okay. We're going to go ahead and plug in the fans now. Turn the power back on. So now the fans is on. Alright, brother, we'll get this bad boy shipped back out to you. And if you ever unplug it, just make sure the power's off, just to be safe, okay? Just to be safe, if you ever unplug it, make sure the power's turned off. And after you turn the power off, let the unit sit for a second. Make sure all caps discharge and all that good stuff. All right, big brother, we'll get this thing back out there to you so you can enjoy it finally. GK, Gatekeeper, we gone. Bye-bye.